Hi YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you from the new sneaker room and the new studio setup, guys. I just did a video on Wednesday showing you guys the entire new setup. It was like a sneaker room tour basically, so you guys have seen everything that's in here, but this is the angle, I guess, that we're going to be shooting at for like the beater boxes, the unboxes and stuff, at least for now. If you guys do have any comments about it, like lighting, sound, or anything, please let me know also in the comments below, because honestly, this is a work in progress for me, man. I'm kind of like just winging it as I go with this new setup. So let me know if you guys want to change anything, if you guys see anything that's weird, angles are funny. I want to hear your feedback. Anyway, we have the first beater box of the new studio over here today. This beater box right here, which has this super giant beat up hole, man, which I don't know, I don't like that. I've been seeing a lot of like weird shipping problems with sneakers recently, a lot of like stolen FedEx boxes or like holes like this where people think like, okay, people are peeping in my boxes or something. It's all been weird. But anyway, this beater box is here. It is from Sole Supremacy and it's gonna be $1,275, so $1,275. So let's open this up and see what we got. It's an interesting box because there is no loose shoes in here, which is a good sign. Everything has a box. And the first shoe that we have is a Nike Air Max 97. First shoe in the new place. It's a size 9 and... okay, this is not the greatest first shoe, and it's also a shoe that I've not seen before. This is an interesting one. I'm not sure what the exact colorway of this is, but it kind of reminds me of like the Sean Weatherspoon Air Maxes, where it has like a bunch of different colors, not necessarily a rainbow. This is more like Easter themed though. And if you guys do want to check it out over here under the camera, I mean, it is pretty cool. This is not a bad shoe, to be honest. I do want to say that this shoe is tried on though. It does look to be like only worn once, if anything, because there is some Saucony in here, but when you guys look at the bottoms, there's like no damage at all, no dirt, nothing on here. So I would say try it on in store and then maybe never worn, but I will mark it as worn for you guys on the website. And if you guys do want to cop any of the shoes in here, don't forget to check out untiedhawaii.com. They are for sale on there right now, so you guys can go ahead and cop over there. So that is shoe number one. We'll set this over here. Next shoe up, we got a Yeezy 350 box. Yeezy 350 size 10, and the shoe that we have, oh, this is actually a good shoe, man. It's a pair of like the triple black Yeezys. Not the most hype Yeezys, but like these solid color Yeezys do very, very well on the resale market. There's no damages on the top. I don't see any tearing or anything, so that's good. Some scuffing on the back heel over here. When you turn it over, I mean, you guys know what it is. Beater boxes, they are full of worn shoes, so a lot of wear right there. But not super bad, to be honest, man. I mean, like the color doesn't really matter as long as the boost is good, and the boost does look pretty solid. So not a bad shoe over here. Non-reflective triple black Yeezy. That should have a couple $100s worth of value. Grab this very beat up box. Size 12, Jordan 9. What do we got? This is... oof, this is not good, man. This is not good. I didn't know that 9s were made in like low form, so this is strange. It's like a... I don't even know what the colorway is. It's like a bread kind of look on a Jordan 9 low. I don't like it, man. I don't like it. I don't know. If you guys are into this, that's cool, but for me, this is a weird one. It does look to be in pretty solid condition though. When you guys check out that upper, leather is actually pretty good quality. It doesn't look super bad. Not a lot of creasing over the toe box here, and bottoms very, very slightly worn, it looks like. This looks like a Jordan 3 box. A lot of Jordans in here actually. Jordan 3 size 9, and for this one, okay, see, this is a more traditional color now. This is a pair of those Jordan 3 Mochas that dropped a couple years ago. Very, very slept on shoe at the time. And dude, I honestly really like this. I'm not a big fan of the 3s just because I don't feel like I pull it off very well. But as you guys know, in terms of like iconic shoes and stuff, the 3 model, it's one of the best. And this Mocha colorway is honestly very underrated. It doesn't look like this one is in super bad condition. I mean, there is some good toe box creasing over here. Quite a bit of sock length, so there is a lot of wear inside. And the bottoms, oh, don't look at that too long, man. I don't know what this thing is underneath, but we don't like that. These actually have some sneaky value too. I think like when they first dropped, they were only going for a little bit over retail, but then slowly over time, like most Jordans do, even if it's not super hyped, they still rise in price just because that's how supply and demand works, guys. If you guys don't have it and you start to see it a lot more, you're gonna have to pay a premium to get it like a couple years down the road. So this is a very good one to see. A couple $100 for sure, and easy to move. You can grab this one over here. I mean, it's an off-white box, as you guys can see. This one is Nike Air Vapor Max size 4.5. Okay, a very small size. And okay, this might be the money shoe of the box, to be honest. This is pretty cool to see in a smaller size. In terms of like wear and stuff, obviously it is going to be a worn shoe. There's very, very few dead stock off-whites and beater boxes. Uppers look to be perfectly intact, and if you guys want to see the rest of the shoe box in here, we also have the extra laces, orange and black, and obviously the zip tie is included in here too, so OG all. And yeah, even though it is a smaller size, these should still fetch some decent value. 4.5 is a pretty, like, not bad base size, so they should sell pretty fast as well. Not bad. That might be the money shoe of the box. We do have 2 shoes left though. I'll grab this one. It's a silver Jordan box, and we got a size 12 Jordan 13. Okay, make some room over here first. This is a big box, and this is a good colorway. We got a pair of Jordan 13s in the bread colorways. Oh, oof, that's unfortunate. Okay, so what I saw on this colorway is good, sneaker is good, but it does look to be like, I don't know if this is paint. You guys can see those white strips on there. I'm hoping that's not paint. I'll try to like clean that off, I guess, but if that is paint and that's stained, that would be a huge hit to value on this. But I mean, colorway is still good and the sneaker is very good. If you guys want to take a closer look at that paint markings, I want to say that this is paint. Bottoms, very, very clean on this. Uppers, other than those paint signs, it doesn't look too bad, man, to be honest. So this is a pretty good one as well. And so for the last shoe of the box, the money shoe, I'm assuming it's this shoe right here. Jordan 4 in a very iconic box. It's a red Jordan box with Levi's on the box, so it is a collab shoe. Jordan 4 Levi's in a size 13. Now we just gotta see what colorway we have. We got the white Jordan 4 Levi's. This is actually not a bad one. I think that the white pairs have more value than the all black pairs, or even like the blue denim one. I think this might be the best one out of the 3 in terms of resale value, and honestly, like, I think in terms of looks too. Quality of this looks pretty solid. I mean, as you guys know, the Jordan 4 Levi collab is an all Levi upper, so it is all made of that denim material. And because this isn't a white colorway, denim can stain pretty easily, so I don't see any stains on this, which is very, very nice. No major damage at all, which is great. And then bottoms, I mean, a little bit dirty, not too much wear though. Stars are still pretty much intact. It does come with the Levi Strauss & Co tag in the box as well, so that's here. And if you guys want to flip that over, it's got the Jordan Jumpman. Very cool collab, to be honest, man. 2 very iconic brands in America. You love to see it. And you love to see beater boxes, guys. That is it for the first beater box in the new place. This is a solid box, and I've said this many, many times in the past. The $900 to like $1,300, $1,400 range of beater boxes, those are by far the most profitable that I've seen. If you get too low to like the $400 or $500s, they're more affordable, but they're very hard to move shoes. When you get too high, like at the $2,000, $3,000 boxes, you get a lot of grails that are like $2,000 that not many people can buy. So you guys' customer base goes down because there's not a lot of people that can afford that. But in the $900 to $1,300 range, the shoes are usually about $200, $300, which is pretty close to retail for most shoes. So they are very affordable, very easy to move, and that means very strong and easy profits. Awesome way to start off the beater box series in the new place. I love it. And if you guys do love any of these shoes and want to cop them, head over to untiedahawaii.com. They will be listed on the website over there. Appreciate all you guys watching, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!